Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a story from your favorite Instagram accounts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on story notifications for someone on Instagram using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, head to the profile of the person whose stories you want to keep up with. You can do this by searching for their username or finding them in your followers or following list. Once you're on their profile, look just below their bio for the Following button. Tap on it. This will open a menu with several options. In the menu that appears, you'll see a bell icon labeled Notifications at the top. Tap on this bell icon to access notification settings for this specific account. Now, you'll see different types of notifications you can turn on or off. Look for the option labeled Stories. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap the switch to turn on story notifications. When the toggle is on, it usually changes color to let you know it's active. That's it. From now on, every time this account posts a new story, you'll get a notification right on your device. This is a great way to stay updated with your favorite creators, friends, or anyone whose stories you don't want to miss. If you ever want to turn off story notifications, just repeat these steps and toggle the switch off. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with the stories that matter most to you.